What's up YouTube, folks? So it's a Top Fiction here, bringing you an Inazuma of a Galaxy Supernova. Yeah, so previous episode was probably like, previous video I've done was a recruitment video on how to get Haku. Yeah, today we're gonna do a match video, and then following I'm gonna do a we call it a, might do a recruitment video today, because apparently today it's a public holiday, so I'm not able to send my 3DS today, and yeah. I was supposed to do it on Friday, but because I got too busy, I had to go camp and stuff like that, I wasn't able to do it then, but yeah. So I'm able to fit in maybe 3 videos today, maybe 2, but yeah, anyway, today we're going to use Blizzard against the Destructors. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I'll explain everything what was going on the last few days and stuff like that, yeah. Sorry if I sound a bit tired there, guys. I had hardly that much sleep, yeah. Wondering why I've had hardly much sleep? Yeah, here's kickoff anyway. It's because, of last night, like, my mum had a visitor over. Yeah. Because I just got back from like camp. Yeah, yeah, yesterday night I got back from camp, but yeah. It's like so annoying because this camp was like partly boring. Yeah, because I really just wanted to stay home, do some videos, and we're gonna go with Double Burst Go. Oh, that's pretty high in power. Oops, sorry guys. See, it's gonna go cushion. Oh god. Oh, that power. Let's go for our first move. Oh no! Aesthetic Rocket Jets! Shindo! Yeah, so like, for the past 2 days I've been at camp. Sort of a church camp thing actually. And it was partially boring, because I just didn't like it much. I only got a little chance to actually play Galaxy. And yeah, it was just so annoying. And we're gonna go with Kubai no Subasa! Kubai no Subasa. God, I sound like I'm gonna get a cold or something. Yeah. Let's go with our next cushion. Go with Ichino's cushion. Byakuya, but first we're gonna go with Judge Oracle! Or Shinken Judge actually. We're gonna go with Byakuya! Let's do this. Like, I'm not been training on my team a bit, because like, yeah, kept me out from playing my Galaxy as much. So anyway, we're gonna rush attack the Monster Hurricane, and oh whoa, that power was pretty powerful for Ichino. That's sorry guys, I'm gonna move my chair a bit so that the sun doesn't, like the glare of the sun doesn't stop it. And whoa, we managed to totally just score on them. 1-0. Yeah, well, I managed to buy a couple of teas, but not much. I played Zeus, and yeah, I finally S-ranked them. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm trying to like S-rank every team, but it depends on how my team does. Oh no. They're gonna go with Willy Zed! And ooh, it's a foul. Let's see what they're gonna go with. You're gonna go with Infinite Zero! Oh god. Oh no. Oh god, touching my car. They're gonna go with Glow of Despair 8. Ooh, that power. Touching my car's gonna go 3, 2, 1, and lift off with Jingle Rocket. I like how you can count down 3, 2, 1, Jingle Rocket. Let's try this. Let's try and beat him. No. Ostrich Rock Grade X. He got really lucky with that. I hope I get to do more Hirambu, that's just the question. More Hirambu. Oh god. Let's do this. Hunter's Net S. I think Curry's better on defense than offense from this set. Oh, we're gonna go with our Soul. But first, they're gonna go with that true. Oh, Bishop. Shoot. Bishop B. Let's do this. Stargazer, grade 4. Whoa. Oh no, he's gonna go armed. Oh god. Shining Hole Zed. Oh! Half time. Yes. Yeah, so anyway, like, yeah. Oh god. Talking about the lateness, I went to bed on Friday night. Because we got there like at 6 o'clock. We ate like at 9. At 9 o'clock. And I got really tired, like, I just practically went to bed. Like, I brought my phone to at least talk with my, well, you could oh, no. With my friends and stuff. Yeah. But on Friday, like, I, kind of, saw an old friend of mine, actually. Which is pretty good, and, oh god, Trace press S, just like... Oh no. We're gonna go Willy Zed! Didn't know that guy actually had that move. Glow of Despair. A. Have to go with Megan at the hand. I think I should have not gone with that, but I was happy to go and place that hand. Oh no, never mind. That was pretty good. Oh no, slide tackle. Oh god. No, Hinata. Let's see, can we actually beat this guy? Ha! Mohirani! Yes! I finally actually got managed to do it. Yes! Oyama! That move is pretty, like, one of my favorite moves. Like this. Kami, Heaven's Drive! Shining Hole Zeta! Oh, so close! And he stopped it. He stopped the dead cold there, actually. Which is pretty amazing. Oh no, that's all. Yeah, so... There we go, Waterfall! Yeah, so like, it's pretty alright, that was fine, but Like, I had to end up driving. I tell you. Sometimes driving is so annoying. Oh, Banda just scored! Oh god. God, I never knew he was going to actually score that goal. Yeah. Yeah, anyway, like, yeah, driving's just so annoying. Like I was trying we were going to like some few places and stuff like that, but yeah. Oh, please A-rank this. Look again. Stargazer! Grade 4. Stop it. Exerto press! Go! Yes! Oh my god, Banda! Oh, that was like sneaky move ever. Yeah, Banda's probably one of the ever geniuses for this. Oh, let's see if we can get it to Banda again. Penguin Carnival! Let's find Banda. Oh no! Shoot. Don't think I can do it now. Maybe I can. Don't think I could be able to do it. Nope! Judge Oracle. Oh god. But it was actually pretty good to hear that Banda was able to score 2 goals. And yeah, that's it guys. 3-0 here now guys, and yeah, we did it. Oh god. Yeah, last night, like as I said, I couldn't sleep. Like my mum and her cousin, like they were making so much noise, and I had to sleep on the couch. It's like so annoying. And then I had to end up in the spare room. Anyway, what did we get here? Oh, we got a Satsu move, Shining Hole, and 3 blue coins. Anyway, this is set at the 12th picture here, signing out here on this match. Next one will be a recruitment video. Over and out.